up, man? I'm back. So today, and somebody come pick up this box. Somebody come pick it up. Feel it before y'all already. I'm about to work on the truck and that. Feel some pressure. There you go. Alright, man. So the problem with this car was I get it up to like 50 and it cut out. So I didn't know what it was. It kept doing it over and over. But if you let it sit, it start right back up. So I knew it was fuel issue. Oh man, the trees done grew all up in here. Let me go and get this up out of here. But y'all love this cold start. Give it to y'all real quick. Put this battery in. I need a battery hold down for this. I got one, but I don't know where I put it at. And that's actually too big for this one. But digital gauges, man, like I went out on this one, went all out, but I ain't get to finish it. I ain't really care about it. I mean, it's my toy. So eventually I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna sell it. But I don't think I'm gonna get what I want, so I just said I'll probably just have to keep it or take the motor out, drop the 305 back in, and yeah, that'd be that. Because the motor rebuilt and then it's a brand new intake on it. I need to grease these hinges up because they getting rough. Give y'all this cold start. Y'all gonna love this, boy. Y'all gonna love this. I hear the Holly come on. It's loud. I'm about to try another pump. Fuel coming up. I'm gonna snatch this old radio out. Probably put another one in there. I'm gonna try to drive this for the week once I fix this fuel issue. Alright, they're clanking. I ain't put spacers in between the torque converter. So I'm about to fix that too. Got a cam in there too. Let me go get it over there real quick. Back and forth on the Tahoe, this and that. So I'm about to drop the starter, do those spacers. And it got an exhaust leak. I think a bolt came out the header. Cause I don't remember it doing that. And then turn around, jump back here, drop the Holly, and then put this new cheap pump that I got from AutoZone in there. It's called like a Mighty fuel pump or something like that. Only reason is because it's only $50 and I don't want to burn this one up. I mean the Holly up. So I'd rather burn this one up if it's gonna burn up. So y'all always asking part numbers. You running factory style, just get it for you. Let me see. I don't see no part number, so there you go. Oh y'all part number peoples. 12427. You know, I'm your test dummy. So if it fail on me, you ain't gonna get it. Yep, that's it. But let me go ahead, get the wrenching. Yeah, let me go ahead and do this. Alright, did that part. See what it sound like. Also greased the hinges, man. They weren't trying to move. They move pretty quick. I mean, pretty easy now. See what it sounded like. Fix the fuel next. Just replace the mirror on the truck. have it up running, jacked up running. It ain't like that. Smoking real bad. And the oil was coming out the valve covers a little bit. I wonder if it'll do that uphill. Yeah, that was ugly. It definitely didn't like that. I had some dreams for this car, man, but eventually it's gonna end up leaving because I can't take it, but I don't want to take it. So what I plan on doing is respraying. But if we actually out of time, it literally take like 4 or 5 hours to bare metal all this surface rust, and then I can respray it that brown that came with for the Malibu, that light tannish brown. It's over there. And get some clear. So that'd be like a $400 job, a base clear job. If we had a time, which I doubt, because we taking jobs, try to get these LS cars, our personal ones, up and running, and possibly turbo. Yeah, so mine's getting turbo for sure, but probably not here. Yeah, like I said, we're trying to take in some other jobs. Yeah, I'm stepping on something that's making that noise. I hate that. But yeah, jack this boy up, make this fuel pump mount, and then redo the fuel hose, and then should be road ready. All right, I never look at the instructions, so I just said I'm about to check it out. Glad I did. They want you to mount on an angle. They recommend a 45-degree angle. Get the flow up, so I guess when it comes down, put a little strain on it, shoots up. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I came up with something as far as mounting it. They want you to drill into the frame, but I'm keeping the fuel hose, the fuel lines that's on here, I'm keeping it the way that it is because this is going back small block. All right, so I'm gonna take my Holly stuff out, right? Finna make a bracket right here. Take this bolt out, put my bracket in, and come down, mount the pump about here. Yeah, well, I know it's under the tank directly. Had that 45 shooting up, so I'm gonna shoot it. So this is the fuel. Bring this down here, shoot back up, back into there, and then put it back in that OEM hose. And then at the front, that's why I put that regulator, fuel pressure regulator. But I'm just gonna set it to max because this one, you don't really need no regulator for this pump. So we'll see what that do. So make this mount, and shoot, what else? Make that mount and get some holes. I need some holes, and then I should be good. But I got some more holes for this. Yeah, this should be quick. Let me go ahead and knock this out. Copyrighted. Let me talk loud over the music. J-Rock over here bumping jam. So got that made. About to go ahead and tack the back of this, and then we'll drill the holes for the fuel pump. But it's done. Oh, you can't even see it. You can see it right there. So I'm fine with that. See how it sounds. Oh, it's leaking. That's what it is. Fix that real quick. Can't hear it. That Holly was loud, man. You can't hear it. Let's see. Take it for a spin real quick. Sound real good. Yeah, man, let me just say before I even drive it, I smell the difference. Like, I smell, it's a big difference in smell. Big, huge difference. I'm locking these doors up so I can get a test run. I don't even think I got an insurance card with me, but if I do get pulled over, I got it on my phone. I never hooked up the miles per hour, but it's wired. It's just not in the trans. I forgot why. I think don't know why, but teleturns gauges, man, they be like jumping around. I think that's why I unhooked it. I'm finna see right now. You plug it in real quick. See. Alright, I just hooked it back up. Let's see what it do. Yeah, it's not moving at all now. I'm gonna keep it hooked up. See what it act like. Yeah, that's why I unhooked it right there. Look, I ain't even moving. It's jumping around. So if I just, nah, I just keep it connected, whatever. So I got everything I need: temp, fuel, bolts, oil pressure. Look, the oil pressure is playing. Come on, man. Needless to say, man, I think I won't be buying another Intellitronics gauge. Well, since I already bought 2 from them, I could always call and do the warranty, but I ain't trying to keep doing that. I'm not trying to keep doing that, bro. You feel a whole lot better. Let's see. See if she cut off. I ain't never. I'm about to. Damn, it's still cut off. Damn. Well, let's turn around. Take that fuel pressure regulator off, maybe. I was just playing with the idle too, so that might have did it. Never know. The fuel pump was mounted too low. That was the issue. Back roll. Hey, it sounds real good. It smells real good now. If I turn around, take it back, get a look, get on the gas a little bit more. Oh shit. What was that? now. Somebody did that. Haven't touched it at all since I bought it. Not really important. That's the easiest thing to do on this car is fix the radio. So I wasn't in a rush to do it. This carpet I'm gonna throw back up. This bottom trim piece is pushed back in place. Put the bolts in there. It's just 2 7mm bolts. All this stuff in the seat. Some of this I can use. I put this cover back on the dash. We just picked up Logie Bear. Alright, man, I'm only putting this in there because it actually didn't work. It started doing it. Logie Bear? Yeah, the Logie Bear. It started doing it again, man, so I actually know what it is this time. So it has to be a big drop with some length in between the... Hey, it got to be a big drop in length, man. So I only got like a 16-inch or so drop from the feed, from the tank to the inlet. So it needs to be longer than that with a drop. So I'm guessing they wanted you to put it on the frame because that's what it said in the description, put it on the frame. I said, no, I ain't put it on the frame. So I think if I put it on the frame and run it like they say run it, I won't have any issues. But yeah, y'all see this headliner. Taking care of that this weekend. It just came in today. Hopefully Sunday, I can work on that car on that day. But yeah, man, I thought it was fixed, man. I was driving around, I was having a good time, just testing it out. Yeah, it ain't there yet, so I'm gonna go ahead, mount it to the frame, and we can see what it do after that.